Hey there, DIY enthusiasts, pros, and home improvement fans. Black Friday is here, and so are some jaw-dropping deals on the best power tools available on Amazon. Collision, whether you're upgrading your tool collection or looking for the perfect gift, we've got you covered with 10 must-have tools that will transform the way you work. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Greenworks 40-volt leaf blower and sweeper is an excellent choice for maintaining clean and tidy outdoor spaces. Its 40-volt power ensures reliable performance, ideal for clearing leaves and debris from patios, driveways, porches, decks, and garage floors. With an impressive speed of 150 miles per hour and 135 CFM airflow, it efficiently handles light and stubborn debris. The included concentrator nozzle makes it especially useful for tight or hard-to-reach areas. This blower features a variable speed dial, allowing users to adjust the power according to the task. This makes it suitable for moving heavier debris as well. Its comfort grip design ensures superior control and ease of use, even during extended sessions. Additionally, the lightweight construction reduces fatigue, enhancing the overall handling experience. The Greenworks 40-volt leaf blower and sweeper perfectly balances power, comfort, and usability, making it a practical tool for homeowners and gardeners. Number 2. The SKIL 120-volt 3-inch by 18-inch belt sander is a versatile and efficient tool for sanding tasks. Powered by a 6.0 amp motor, it can easily handle any wood surface, making it suitable for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The pressure control technology provides a helpful feature, warning users when excessive pressure is applied to ensure optimal sanding performance and prevent damage. Its microfiltration system effectively captures fine dust particles, promoting a cleaner and safer work environment. The auto-track belt alignment system ensures the sanding belt stays centered during operation, reducing the need for frequent adjustments. Additionally, this sander is vacuum compatible, fitting standard 1 1/4-inch hoses, which allows for convenient dust collection. The flush edge sanding capability enables users to sand right up to edges, maximizing its utility and precision. Whether you're refinishing furniture or tackling larger woodworking projects, the SKIL 120-volt belt sander combines power, convenience, and advanced features to deliver exceptional results. Number 3. The Works 20-volt 10-inch cordless pole and chainsaw offers a powerful and convenient solution for maintaining trees and clearing branches. With its 12-foot reach and lightweight 10 pounds design, it allows users to handle high or hard-to-reach limbs effortlessly. Assembly is tool-free and takes just minutes, making it easy to use right out of the box. This saw delivers fast, clean cuts powered by a 20-volt PowerShare battery, offering comparable performance to gas models but without the mess, noise, or maintenance hassles. The battery is part of the versatile PowerShare family, compatible with over 75 tools for expanded usability. The auto-chain tension system ensures the correct tension for optimal performance, while the automatic lubrication system provides smoother operation and prolongs the tool's life. The built-in oil level indicator keeps maintenance simple and efficient. Compact and ergonomic, the Works cordless pole saw reduces fatigue, allowing for longer and more comfortable work sessions. Ideal for homeowners and gardeners, it's a reliable tool for keeping outdoor spaces safe and tidy. Number 4. The Avid Power 20-volt max lithium-ion cordless drill is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for a variety of household and DIY projects. Equipped with a 1.5 lithium-ion battery, it features a real-time battery level display, allowing users to monitor the remaining charge conveniently and avoid interruptions. The drill offers a 15+1 position clutch with 280 pounds of torque, providing precise control for driving screws and drilling into materials such as wood, ceramics, plastics, and even metal. It has a maximum drilling capacity of 13/16 inches for wood and 3/8 inches for steel, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Its ergonomic design includes a compact and lightweight build, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The rubber-covered handle ensures a comfortable grip for one-handed operation. Additional features like a flexible shaft help access hard-to-reach areas, while an LED light illuminates dark spaces for improved visibility. The variable speed control, 0 to 550 RPM, with an electric brake function allows for precise and efficient operation. Whether for home improvement or light professional work, this cordless drill offers reliability, comfort, and excellent performance. Number 5. The RAK magnetic pickup tool is a practical and versatile gadget designed to retrieve small metal items like nuts, bolts, nails, and screws with ease. Its powerful magnetic grip ensures reliable performance, while the magnetic base allows for hands-free use when attached to metallic surfaces. Perfect for a variety of tasks, this tool is ideal for automotive repairs, HVAC work, plumbing, home improvement, and even outdoor activities like camping and fishing. Its telescoping neck extends up to 22 inches and is 360 degrees flexible, allowing it to reach into tight and hard-to-access spaces effortlessly. Equipped with 3 bright LED lights, the tool provides excellent visibility in dimly lit or dark areas, enhancing precision and usability. Pre-installed batteries make it ready to use straight out of the box. Compact and convenient, the RAK magnetic pickup tool is a must-have for any toolbox, ensuring you can tackle tricky situations with ease. Number 6. The Avid Power cordless rotary tool is a versatile and user-friendly tool ideal for DIY projects, crafting, and pet grooming. Powered by a built-in 8V motor and 2.0 rechargeable battery, it delivers steady performance with 5 variable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, allowing for precision in tasks like grinding, sanding, carving, or polishing. It's especially suited for dog nail trimming at lower speeds, 5,000 to 15,000 RPM, to ensure safety. Convenience is key with this cordless design, featuring a quick 3 to 4 hour charge time and a battery charging indicator. The spindle lock ensures seamless bit changes, while 4 LED lights around the rotary bit provide clear visibility, even in low light conditions. Great for intricate work or pet care. Additionally, its low noise design is ideal for pet grooming, helping to keep animals calm. Ergonomically designed with an anti-slip rubber handle, this lightweight tool offers superior control and comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. A zippered storage bag enhances portability. Complete with 60 accessories stored in a plastic case, this rotary tool is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from home improvement to detailed crafting projects. Number 7. The FastPro 232-piece 20-volt cordless lithium-ion drill driver and home tool set is a comprehensive kit designed for tackling DIY projects and household tasks with ease. This set includes essential hand tools, making it versatile and practical for various applications. The cordless drill driver features a 20-volt, 1.5 lithium-ion battery, delivering reliable power for a wide range of tasks. Equipped with a 3/8-inch keyless chuck and a 19-position clutch, it offers precise torque control for accurate fastening and drilling. The 2 speed settings, 0-400 RPM and 0-1,500 RPM, allow you to switch between light and heavy-duty tasks seamlessly. The included pliers, crafted from forged steel with heat treatment, provide strength and durability, while the hardened cutting edge ensures smooth operation. The 12-inch tool bag helps keep all tools organized for easy access. Additional tools include slip joint pliers, groove joint pliers, an adjustable wrench, long nose pliers, a magnetic screwdriver holder, screwdriver bits, and a tape measure. Note that the drill uses carbon brushes, and visible sparks during operation are normal due to the electromagnetic charge. Perfect for home use, this toolkit offers convenience and efficiency for both beginners and experienced DIY enthusiasts. Number 8. The HuPar 3D Green Beam Self-Leveling Laser Level is a versatile tool designed for precise alignment and layout tasks. It features 3 360 degrees laser planes, 1 horizontal and 2 vertical. This full-room coverage allows users to efficiently align floors, walls, and ceilings. The The two vertical lines intersect at 90 degrees, simplifying square layout tasks. Its smart pendulum system ensures self-leveling and notifies when out-of-level conditions occur, while the manual mode locks lines for angled use. Powered by a 3.7-volt, 5,200 mAh Li-ion battery, the laser level offers an extended runtime. The battery can be recharged independently or within the device using the included USB charging port. For uninterrupted operation, it can be directly plugged in without the battery. Charging indicators provide clear status updates. The tool employs Osram's green laser, offering twice the brightness of red lasers and a working range of up to 130 feet. Accuracy plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet. The outdoor pulse mode extends the range to 200 feet when paired with a Hupar laser receiver. With a 1/4 inch 20 and 5/8 inch 11 mounting threads, a magnetic pivoting base, and strong magnets for metal surfaces, it provides versatile installation options. Replaceable laser covers enhance durability, making it a reliable choice for indoor and outdoor projects. Number 9. The DEWALT Life 550 Nm, 400 foot-pounds. Brushless impact wrench is a high-performance tool designed for demanding tasks. Its powerful 550 Nm brushless motor, made of pure copper, delivers exceptional torque and extended durability. This advanced motor ensures stronger power, improved heat dissipation, and reduced energy consumption compared to traditional motors, making it a reliable choice for heavy-duty applications. Equipped with two 21-volt 3.0 Ah batteries, this cordless impact wrench provides extended runtime, offering up to 160 minutes of operation per full charge. Its cordless design enhances flexibility and convenience, eliminating the limitations of power cords. The tool features 3 speed settings with a maximum speed of 2,450 RPM, allowing users to adjust power for various tasks. Additionally, the 2 automatic stop modes make tightening and loosening nuts easier, ensuring precise and safe operation. Weighing only 3.66 pounds, this lightweight impact wrench is easy to handle, reducing user fatigue during prolonged use. It is suitable for a wide range of applications, including changing lawn mower blades, car tire repairs, and installing heavy equipment. Its combination of power, efficiency, and versatility makes it a valuable addition to any toolbox. Number 10. The Decoo Tool Set is a versatile and practical kit designed for various tasks, including home maintenance and DIY projects. It features an 8-volt cordless drill that can be used for drilling in wood and plastic, as well as tightening or loosening screws. The drill offers variable speed control with a maximum no-load speed of 800 RPM, allowing for precise operation. Weighing only 1.65 pounds, the lightweight design makes it easy to handle with one hand, even during extended use. The drill is equipped with a rechargeable battery and includes a Type-C 1.5 ampere charging cable for convenient charging via any universal charger or USB output. 5-volt DC. A built-in battery indicator located at the back of the drill lets you monitor the remaining power. The tools in the kit are made of durable alloy steel with a chrome-plated finish to prevent corrosion, while the grip is designed to be anti-skid and comfortable to use. This tool set includes a range of practical and advanced tools that are suitable for various applications such as decoration, furniture assembly, drilling, cutting, gardening, office repairs, and daily home maintenance. The tools are neatly organized in a durable toolbox, making storage and transportation convenient. This tool set is ideal for both beginners and experienced users, offering functionality and ease of use.